Looking for a perfect place for your family's special occasion or your company's event this holiday season? A cozy dining ambience overflowing with delectable food and drinks no one can resist? Well, this is the right place for you. Hello fellow food trippers, please come and join us on this food trip to savor, sip, and celebrate the enticing flavors of the season at the Alley by Vikings on the second level of Ayala Mall, Cloverleaf at Bonifacio Avenue, Quezon City. The Alley by Vikings is an international street-inspired food hall with unique food concepts that bring each diner to the different alleys of the global world into its culinary specialties. The food hall has more than 10 food stations, serving a variety of cuisines superbly prepared by chefs from Asian to Western favorites. Our appetites are already sharp at lunchtime, and some in our group managed to come without breakfast or dinner the night before. Partake right away in the delicious food from the delectable buffet, starting with appetizers or bite-sized portions of cheeses, cured hams, salads, and tea sandwiches, which are the first course of our meal at ANTIPASTO BLVD, perfectly paired with the slices of New York pizza and pasta at BUONO. Most diners waited in line for the piece of resistance or the most popular dish at the carving station, the roast beef, alongside herb-roasted chicken and the herb-roasted pork at just steak a minute. Young and old alike find pleasure in burgers, wings, fries, nachos, salsa, hot dogs, and sandwiches at the Lost and Found station. The most popular Filipino delicacies, pickled vegetables, and desserts of native kakanin are at the Fruit and Batsoy station. Seafood lovers found their seafood favorites of Cajun seafood, salmon head teriyaki, paella mahorcana, paella negra, fried peas fillet, and crispy salmon skin at the Ocean 11. Korean cuisines of pork bulgogi, tteokbokki, japchae, paljon pancakes, and side dishes of rice and soups are at the Lasap Station. Chinese delights of dim sums, steamed buns, noodles, and congee are at the Haochi Station. Assorted colorful freshly made sushi and maki, fresh and flavorful salmon sashimi, tempura, pork tepan, and ramen soup are at the Yatay Station. Delightful desserts of cakes, cookies, donuts, and ice cream are offered at the Honeycomb Station. Most diners are delighted with the popular Christmas foods, bibingka and puto bongbong at the Perinos Bibingka stall, symbols of joy and unity in Filipino culture. With colorful flavors of Pinoy scramble and deep-fried fish balls, squid ball, and kikiam at Pinoy street food. Everyone enjoyed the free-flowing juices of cucumber agua fresca, strawberry mango, papaya carrots, and wheatgrass throughout the meal at the Kegs Station, including unlimited cold beer and special cocktails for the season's festive sips. The Alice Kegs Bar makes the popular screwdriver cocktail in strawberry and orange variations, a perfect choice to make your Christmas merry and bright. We cap our sumptuous meals with fresh fruits and decadent desserts of Christmas strawberry cake and makapuno pandan cake, a beautiful pairing of the colors of the Christmas season. We also enjoy our hot cappuccino and americano served by creative coffee baristas at the Nord's Coffee Bar. So warm up your festive holiday spirit at the Alley Cloverleaf, the party place that takes all the stress out of party planning. Just be sure not to hold back on your cravings and to stop at its food station to enjoy the delicious flavors of its mouth-watering dish. Indulge with an eat-all-you-can at 1,138 pesos net on weekdays and 1,238 pesos net on weekends and holidays. The Alley by Vikings invites birthday celebrant to dine for free with one full-paying adult on their birthday and 4 dining adults on their birth month. The alley Cloverleaf is open daily for lunch from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and dinner from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Thursday and from 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Friday to Sunday. For dining inquiries, promos, and reservations, call or message 0917-174-5888 or the Vikings hotline at 8845-4647. We'll see you on our next food trip.